Hi everyone, and welcome back to English the Gab Lab. Have you ever met a friend after a long time? Today, you'll learn easy English for small talk and chatting. In this video, we'll see a conversation between two friends, James and Sophie. They run into each other on the street and go to a cafe to catch up. Let's get started.
Oh my God! Sophie, is that you? I can't believe it.
James, what a surprise! How are you? I am so happy to see you. It has been a long time. Maybe 5 years?
Yes, at least 5 years. The last time we met was at Mike's party. You look great. Your hair is different, right?
Haha, yes, it's shorter now. You look good too, James. I like your suit. Are you working near here?
Yes, I'm a lawyer now. I work in an office on this street. It's a lot of work, but I like it. And you? What's your job now?
I'm a graphic designer. I don't work in an office, I work from home. I have my own small studio. I love it because I don't have to travel to work.
That's great. You always wanted to work for yourself. Do you still live in the city center?
No, I moved to a house outside the city 2 years ago. It's very quiet and it has a small garden. I have many flowers and some tomatoes.
That sounds very nice. I still live in a small apartment, but it's near my office. Hey, I'm going to that cafe for a coffee. Do you have 10 minutes?
Yes, I have time. I want a cup of tea. Let's go and talk more.
So, tell me about your family. Is your brother still in London?
No, he moved to Spain last month. He loves the food and the sun there. London was too cold and rainy for him.
I understand. Spain is beautiful. And your sister, is she still a student?
No, she finished university in June. She's a doctor now. She works at the big hospital. She's very busy, but she's very happy.
That is amazing news. Say hello to her for me, please.
I will. Oh, look at the clock. It is 4 o'clock already. Time is moving very fast.
You are right. Time flies when I talk to you. We need to meet again soon. We shouldn't wait another 5 years.
I agree. Let's exchange phone numbers. Is your number the same?
No, it's new. My number is 555-0192. Write me a message tonight, okay?
Perfect. Maybe we can have dinner next Saturday. There's a new Italian restaurant in the park.
That is a great idea. I love Italian food. It was so good to see you, Sophie.
You too, James. Have a nice day at work.
That was a great conversation. I hope it gave you some good ideas on how to catch up with someone you haven't seen in ages. Like, what a surprise! How are you? I am so happy to see you. It has been a long time. The last time we met was, or you look great. To check how much you understood, I've put together a quick 3-question quiz for you. Don't forget to write your answers in the comments. I'll be giving a heart to everyone who gets them right. Let's get started. 1. Where does Sophie work? A. In an office on the same street as James. B. From home in her own small studio. 2. Where does Sophie's brother live now? A. In London because he likes the weather. B. In Spain because he loves the sun and the food. 3. What is Sophie's sister's profession? A. She is a doctor at a big hospital. B. She is still a student at university.
Great job today! Thanks to this chat between James and Sophie, you now know how to greet and talk to your friends in English. Go over it a few times to help your fluency. If there's a specific type of conversation you'd like me to create, let me know in the comments. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future lessons. See you in the next video. Bye!